CapCut Green Screen tutorial step by step. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you step by step CapCut Green Screen tutorial. So for that, let's open CapCut. Here you guys will simply click on new video. Now you will simply add background pic that we are using on green screen. For example, that was the background pic. After that, I will click on add. Now I will simply adjust it. For example, my green screen was 20 seconds, so I will expand it to 20 seconds. After that, I will simply click on overlay. Here you guys will click on again on add overlay. Now import the green screen video. Now our green screen video was added. So for removing green screen, I will simply click on that green screen video. On down you guys will see add overlay, split, volume, splice. But simply scroll on right. Here you guys will see remove BG. So simply click on remove BG. Now you guys will see custom removal, auto removal, chroma key. So simply click on chroma key. Now select the green screen. After that, adjust the intensity. So I'll simply adjust it according to my video. After that, play that. Here we go. Our green screen was removed from our video, and you guys can see how perfectly that was added to our video. So for removing more green screen, you guys can simply click again on that. Go to remove BG again. Click on chroma key, and here you guys can select intensity as well to end. So the green screen will be removed completely. So that's how you guys can use green screen. Thanks for watching.